Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic, how to prevent Facebook from accessing your photos and media. So, let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to access the menu. Step 3. Now, scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. Scroll down. Step 4. Within the Settings and Privacy section, continue scrolling until you find the Your Activity section. Step 5. Tap on Device Permissions within the Your Activity section. Step 6. Next, tap on Photos and Media. Step 7. To update your settings, tap on Update Settings. Step 8. This will open your device settings. Scroll down to find App Permissions. Step 9. Tap on App Permissions and locate Photos and Media. Step 10. Finally, tap on Don't Allow to prevent Facebook from accessing your photos and media. And there you have it. You've successfully prevented Facebook from accessing your photos and media. That wraps up our full guide on how to prevent Facebook from accessing your photos and media. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in safeguarding your privacy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.